Hey guys, how you doing? This is Homer Liberty Graphic Designs. Today we're gonna be sublimating baseball jerseys, so don't go anywhere. I'm gonna show you how we sublimate and make baseball jerseys from start to finish. So we have to do about 56 baseball jerseys, and that's what I'm doing right now. I'm getting everything ready. I'm getting everything ready to get them sublimated, and then if we have time, I'm going to make one. The reason why I said if I have time is I got quite a bit to sublimate. If I don't have enough time, then I'll just come back and make another video on how to make the actual jersey or how to put it together. But right now we're gonna start sublimating, and so let me get this ready. Just so you guys know, I'm using a roll heat press, or another name for it is called calendar heat press. So what I'm doing is I got all the piles, like for example, this is all medium, and I'm getting my sizes ready. This is how easy it is to sublimate with the, again, either calendar or roll heat press, whichever way you want to call it. You just place your garments on top, and the way that it works, it has an oil-filled drum right in there, and that's right now it's at 220 Celsius, so about 440 Fahrenheit. And I'm sublimating for about a minute. So basically all I gotta do is just place the pieces of garment on top of this. It'll go through the machine, come out of the other end, sublimate it. So now this size that is coming up right now, this is the one that we're gonna be working just for this video. This is a 6X, so that's the one that I'm gonna be doing the video on. Yes, I said 6X. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Again, this one right here, this one that you're seeing right now, is gonna be a 6X, and you'll see the entire video is gonna be done on this shirt right here. If you guys wanna get into large format sublimation, this is the way to go. Get one of these roll heat presses or calendar presses, whatever you guys wanna call it. Get you one of these. This is the way to go. It's just this is a no-brainer, because this one we're not limited by size. Like for example, on the clamshells, I wouldn't be able to do this 6X. Clamshell is the biggest. The one I had, the biggest shirt that I could make was a 4X. This one, no problem. Look at that. 6X is no problem. And I know you can do a 6X with any other press, but one of the things about these roll heat presses is they're very consistent. The color is gonna come out looking the same throughout the entire shirt. And even though you see this press go by real slow, trust me, it's a lot faster than a clamshell. Way faster. Okay, so I'm done sublimating. Now I have to get the patterns out of the roll. And it's quite a bit. So you can see how much it is. It's quite a bit. It's 56 shirts on one order, and then there's like maybe 4 total, about 63 shirts. Okay, so now what I do is I usually put it back in the machine, and then I start rolling it out and taking the pieces out, because I'm using tacky paper. This paper has adhesive, so the pieces are actually stuck to the paper. That prevents ghosting, and you get better results. So hopefully it'll fit back in here, because see, it's really wide and I don't have that much room in the machine for that. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I'm just gonna get the pieces obviously out of this roll, but it's so big that it barely fits. And as I take it out, the machine is gonna roll the paper. That way I get rid of the trash. So now that we got all the shirts out of the the heat press. Now gotta sew them together, but for this video we're only doing the 6X. So let me grab that one. And this is all the shirts that we sublimated, but here's the one that we're gonna be doing. This little itty bitty shirt. So let me bring you guys in closer so you can see the process. It's very easy. It's not too complicated. Nothing to it. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we gotta find this strips right here. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna attach those strips. In this case, we gotta do the neck first, or the back of the neck. And I'm sorry, there's not a lot of room here, but that's what we're doing. Again, this is the back of the neck, and we're gonna attach that. Doesn't matter which one you do first, if you do the front or if you do this one, but you do have to do this strips first. It's very simple, nothing to it. Nothing to it. That's it. That's the back of the neck. I'll move that one aside because now we need to do the front of the shirt. So sleeves. And here you just want to make sure that you have the right strip. You know, when you put it, I got lucky in this one. I actually grabbed the right one. That you don't have the other one right. And you always want to start from the top. This is actually the neck part. You want to start from the top because if it moves, which more than likely this is going to move, you want it to move at the bottom because you can trim it over there and not at the top. So now we're going to put this one together, making sure that they're both of them are lining up. And guys, just so you know, you don't need to have fancy machines. You can do it with a regular house sewing machine. It's just that these ones are industrial, they're faster, they're better machines, right? But if all you have is a house sewing machine, like a regular house machine, that's it. I mean, you can do it with that. Doesn't have to be something fancy like this. See, this is what I was saying. Sometimes here one of the sides will be slightly bigger or longer than the other one. In this case, they're actually, you know, the same. But if you wanted to make adjustments, you want to make them here, not on the neck. Just like that. And let me do the other one. And again, main thing is that you have the correct side, right? And you always want to do everything has to be done like inside out. If any of you want a special shirt design for me, just let us know. Let me know if you guys want to have a personalized jersey made for you for birthdays. This is a group. This is a horse riding club in Dallas, Texas, and they wanted a theme. They wanted a Cowboys theme. That's why you see these colors. Now we can put this one and the back of the shirt together. So I'm gonna bring that one back. Let me move this one out of the way. This right here is the shoulders. So right here will be the armpit. That right here is the armpit. So this is the shoulder. That's where we're gonna start. And again, like for example, this is the wrong side, right? So I couldn't start right there because that's the wrong side. So I said, for example, if I wanted to start with this one has to start, if I can grab this correctly, it's gonna start right here at these two pieces right here. So again, match both of them, making sure that the seams match. We just sew it together. And now what we're gonna do next is this little flaps right here, even though they're gonna be on the inside, we don't want to leave this rough edge like that. It's not rough, but you don't want to leave it like that. You have to put a border on it. So we're going to do it with this machine. And this is just to protect the fabric, to keep it from fraying. Now we're going to switch over to a straight stitch, but we kind of have a shirt put together already, ready to go. Again, now what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the straight stitch, and then we're going to sew a line right there and then one right here. And then we're going to come back to another machine, do the hemming. Okay, so on this machine, we're just going to do a straight stitch, and then what we're going to do is we're going to flip this to the inside. Okay, so normally you will press this so it's nice and flat, but you know, for the sake of the video, I'm going to do it like that without pressing it. I'm just going to be fighting the fabric, because I had to hold this right here and fold it back. Okay, and this is going to go all the way around the shirt, and we got to do two lines, one there and then one to hold this flap thing to hold it down. There you go. So now we got that part done. So now what we got to do is we got to finish the sleeves and then the bottom of the shirt. So on this machine, we're going to do the hemming on the bottom of the jersey. If I can find the bottom, there you go. So we're going to do the hemming on the bottom of the jersey, and then we're going to do the hemming on the sleeves. Okay, so what this machine is doing is putting two stitches, two lines on top, then on the bottom is doing that. So as hemming the bottom, see, this is, let me show you, unfinished, finished. So that's what this machine is doing. That's it, that's the bottom. So now let's do the sleeves. And the sleeves are going to be a lot easier than the bottom because they're not that long. Pull it over about 1/2 inch. That's it. Now the only thing that we have to do on this jersey is put the buttons. So let's do that. Okay, so now for the buttons. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do the buttonholes, and that's pretty easy. So what we do is just put it underneath this machine. We're going to put a buttonhole right here, one right there. There you go. So there's one. I misplaced it a little bit, so you need to be careful on the next one. I wasn't paying attention. And just like that. Now I'm going to put the other one right there. And that puts a buttonhole. So now the only thing that we got to do now, you know, finish putting all the buttonholes. They go every 4.5 inches down the shirt. So now that we've done the buttonhole, on the other side we got to do the actual button, and that one is done with this other machine. Okay, so now on this one, it's very simple. Just put the button right there, and yes, I have to mark them. That way they end up right where they need to be, right? And this is how easy it is to put a button. Grab my finger. So that one I messed it up because it grabbed my finger. I'm gonna redo it because I have my finger too close to the thing. We're gonna redo that. You know, I had my finger right there now, and it didn't sew correctly, but there you go, right there. Button is done. Now we're gonna do the other one and then just put the shirt underneath. Just like that. Continue on with the next one. And that's how we make a 6X baseball jersey. I'm gonna put it on. It's gonna be a little tight on me. Denise Stewart always gets mad because I wear the shirts that I make, and she's like, why do you always have to wear everybody's shirt? Yep, it's a little big on me, but that's it. Done. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. If you want to see a certain jersey being done, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget the challenge that we got with Ride Beats. Make sure you hit them up if you guys need any DTF transfers, if you need any stickers, if you need any screen printing done, if you need any embroidery done. You're gonna see Ride Beats email address somewhere here or here. Just give him a I was gonna say give him a call, but I'm not gonna give you his phone number. So yeah, just send him an email and ask him, you know, if you guys need anything, if you need hats, if you need shirts, if you need whatever it is that you need, if you need DTF transfers, just send him an email, place an order with him, flood him with a lot of work. If you guys need me, or if you guys want me to do any specific jersey or something, or if you guys want to get a jersey done, email, my email address is in the description below. So thank you guys. This is it for this video. I had a lot of fun making this shirt. I got about 60 more that I have to do, but that's it. This is it for the video. Thank you for watching. It was a pleasure like always. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so, and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload more videos like this. Thank you. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye now. See ya later.